Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing. This time it is for the new 7A reissue of this one-time supergroups album, Dolenz, Jones, Boyce, and Hart. And that's the name of the album and the quartet. Now, if you don't know this album, you have Tommy Boyce, Bobby Hart, as well as uh, Davy Jones and Mickey Dolenz of the Monkees. Now, the point of this album, which came out in 1976, was to kind of build off of the Monkees, kind of the 10-year anniversary of, when the Monkees kind of started coming around on TV. They wanted a full Monkees reunion. That obviously didn't happen, so they got Boyce and Hart, who wrote a lot of the Monkees songs, like the theme song, Last Train to Clarksville, and then they got the two main lead singers of the Monkees in Davy Jones and Mickey Dolenz. Now, Mickey Dolenz, of course, is the only Monkee who's still with us, and he was also the only Monkee who sang in every incarnation of the Monkees, whether that was the original television series, and then all of the disbandings, as well as the reunions in 1976, later again with Pull It in the 80s, Just Us in the 90s, and then, of course, into the Good Times years and all of those tours that he did with Peter and Davy. And then, of course, Davy passed away, did a couple of tours with Mike and Peter. Peter passed away, then it was Mike and Mickey, and now we're just left with Mickey as the lone man standing. So this is the newest reissue from 7A Records. As you can see, there's the little 7A label on the bottom. Now, I only went with the CD this time from 7A because I don't know this album. I've actually never heard this album, so I'm excited to dig into it. I know there's some mixed feelings about this album in terms of the quality of the songs. It's funny because a lot of the songs on here are written by Boyce and Hart. However, there are other songs as well, including one written by Mickey and Davy. So I haven't opened anything. I'm just going to do the CD unboxing here. I want to thank the folks at 7A Records for continuing to put out these releases this year. We've had a bunch. We've had a couple of Mike Nesmith reissues. We had the year start off with the Dolan Sings Nesmith EP, and now we have a Mickey Dolenz album due out in just a couple of weeks. So there's the CD without the shrink. You can see it's kind of like that matte finish. There's the back, and this also comes with that second CD of Live in Japan. It's got a bunch of Monkee songs as well as some of the new stuff. So let's open it up. There is the inside. There is the promo for the Live in Japan album or show. There is some interesting graphic there. And then there are some liner notes by Mickey Dolenz from 1976. And he labels it as George M. Dolenz because, of course, his name is George Michael Dolenz. So, and then we open up the full sleeve and have gatefold. So there's the group talking to the Japanese fans. There are the albums, and I'll take one out here. This is the concert in Japan. And it's a pretty cool looking colored vinyl for this release, but I just don't think I'm going to get it this time around. Again, if I knew this album more, I probably would. So I'm going to stick to the CD. There's the booklet. Looks like it's the old tapes, the master tapes, and let's see some of the images here. There are the boys. There's Mickey embracing his inner Peter Gabriel, it looks like. And then there is Davy with Boyce and Hart, looking sharp. There's everybody. Again, really extensive liner notes. Davy and the Boyce. Looks like a lot of these photos are from the Joe Russo collection. Some old tapes. Just some really great pictures. It's a really large booklet. I can't go through everything. I'm gonna stop there. That's about the halfway point. Let's see if there's anything else of note. Lots of good images here. Just really good stuff from 7A. They can always pull out great archival releases and images for the fans. So now I know on the back this has been getting some interest from folks. So you have on the back here all of these releases from 7A that you can also buy. However, this little guy right here hasn't been announced yet, and it's called Davy Jones Manchester Boy Personal File. So looks like we might be getting a Davy Jones release later this year, so exciting to wait for that. I'll definitely be getting that. So yeah, there you go. I'm excited to listen to the music on this. Again, I know that there are mixed feelings about it, but I'm happy to add this regardless to my 7A and Monkeys collection. So let me know if y'all are going to get this. Thank you again, 7A, Glenn, everybody over there for putting these out, keeping the Monkeys music with us. Y'all are doing a great job. So in the meantime, y'all be good. Take care. I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye now.